way too deep.
Yeah, because India was one heck of a country.
Yeah,
and
we're talking up, down, just
swirly,
crazy all
I mean,
over
it
the
was
place.
nuts, okay? And we made a lot of mistakes.
Way too many.
Yeah, so we're gonna be stopping these India vlogs with you along the way to kind of laugh with you.
And guide you
and
through.
Cry with you.
Yeah, and just kind of help you out a little
and
bit.
things that we did or should have, haven't done.
Let's
go.
hold hands. Let's go.
Our first few minutes in India, and we definitely voted the most horns. These are the biggest cows we have ever seen.
Ever, look.
They're so big.
It's so big, and there's giant goats back there on top of cars.
And we're not joking
I
when
wish
we
we
say
cut that. Yeah.
giant goats. They are giant. Texas, I don't think you have India on the cows or the goats. Sorry. Squeeze through.
I don't know if we can.
Alright, yeah, whenever you're traveling to India, as prepared as you think you might be, you're probably not.
No, there are going to be things that shock you. And always wear closed-toed shoes. Because my throat started closing up.
We're in a little bit of trouble. Can't even talk right now.
Tell them where we are.
We're in the middle of the world's largest spice market.
Yeah, baby. We were super excited. Number one thing we wanted to do, birthday.
And now
we're suffering the spice consequences. What do we do? Okay, green curry, red curry, yellow curry, chili, and turmeric. Okay.
How many can you make with this? So let's do one big green curry.
One big green curry.
I have more than 500 spices.
Okay.
I have given you that all the foreigners purchase.
You have more than 500 spices?
More than.
And this is for the rice. We'll have one, and then
this guy's being so helpful, telling us what they are, what you need to cook it with and everything, explaining it very well. They're supposed to last 2 years, shelf life.
okay, maybe we will have.
I think we're gonna do some half bags, some full bags, getting real Indian spice, guys.
Alright, I know Tyler looks really happy right now because we just got our awesome India spices, but maybe don't buy your spices from the wholesale spice market. We learned that these things can be dyed, contaminated, chemically made, just not even real spices. We think ours are authentic, but I don't know, do your research, have some ideas. Maybe get it from the grocery store, because in the grocery store, you know they're good and it's still authentic.
Just tell them how the spices can be fake.
Yeah, I told him, man. It's really funny.
This is the real deal, real stuff. I'm gonna send it home, so whenever we do get home, we've got some good stuff to cook with. Explanation and haggling go.
I haven't haggled yet, but
We got spices.
system overload. Something just fell on my head.
I feel like the ground is moving under my feet. I can't. This is insane.
It's down there.
Let's see.
Go, yes, go.
Check it out. Let's go.
Do not come to India if you're scared of cars. A lot of people being touched.
Horns.
Horns. Well, yeah, horns. And mass crowds. Don't come if you're claustrophobic.
If you're claustrophobic, this is not the place for you.
But otherwise, this place is insanely awesome and insanely interesting. It's been a little difficult to film, I'm not gonna lie. It's challenging, it's fun.
The camera on the stick is like it's like a magical wand.
Yes, that everyone wants to be a part of. I literally have no idea where we are. We just ran off the shoots, we were so overwhelmed. And now we are.
I've seen them around. A lot of guys are wearing them. They needed to fit in. Alright, so one thing that you will be met whenever you do get to India is the ease of shopping. Everything is so cheap. Something like this scarf will run you around like 40 to 60 rupees, which is around 75 cents or
less than $1.
Like $1.
Yeah, and he's worn it a lot.
definitely get some good use out of it, and you will definitely be able to get some souvenirs for steal.
That is for sure.
Steal prices.
Yeah, not airport prices.
Can change?
That's all mine. This is not mine, but that's mine.
We're trying to navigate our way around this place, so like we're getting a ride to the metro to take us
Which
to.
we would usually be totally against, but no one could tell us where the metro was,
And they won't take us directly to the place that we want to go.
yeah, so they're like, we'll take you to the metro.
So
We just ended up giving in.
here we go.
Sometimes you gotta give it.
This looks simple enough. No animals. Baby can't get on.
No problem. You go, I will give it. No problem.
It is never failing. I mean, even in the subway, we like look lost for 2 seconds and then someone comes up, hey, where are you going? This really nice man is walking us around, making sure that we go to the right place, giving us all the best information. Such nice people here. Alright, and somehow we ended up with in a taxi with him. We're splitting the cost. Going to a mall.
Going to an authentic mall. We're back in the tuk-tuk.
A different tuk-tuk.
A different tuk-tuk because we just got.
We
might as well have been on a commercial. We got our TV show. We just got Brooks in India.
Called You Got.
And we had video of him, okay? Because he was so nice. Man, he knew our hotel owner's name. He said they were friends.
Ashlei gave him a card.
He
was
him
that
card.
nice. The place that we got dropped off at.
I don't even want to put this on YouTube. I'm just embarrassed.
We're on our way to a different market to hopefully get what we're trying to find. Yeah. We got.
This is so embarrassing.
This is very embarrassing.
Whatever you do, you may be told 1,000 times, don't get scammed in India.
Do not let this happen to you, for the love of God.
It's such a sad fact, guys. He was like, I've got to meet my daughter in about 15 minutes.
I got some time. Let me just show you this place really quick.
Let me show you where the tourist office is. That's what he said. Bam.
Ruined.
We got scammed.
Okay.
Nope, wait.
Okay, she got a ride. Alright, so today is Ashley's 24th birthday. We're gonna go out and get some henna tattoos, go see the Gandhi Museum, and get some really good Indian food. 24th birthday in New Delhi. I'm down.
First tuk-tuk of the birthday.
Step 1.
Get a tuk-tuk. And step 2.
No problem. I make you birthday design.
Okay, so this is my henna moment, and I'm sure a lot of other people have them too. Just be sure not to pay more than $200 for at least one hand. That's what I found out. And make sure the ink is store-bought, because homemade inks can be really bad for you. So you don't want that. Pick your favorite design and have a ball.
It's been 3 hours. This is the final result of Ashley's henna tattoo. So we are completely done with our henna tattoos. I say we because, you know, I got mine too. We have plans to go over to the Gandhi Museum, but I think our henna tattoos took a little too long, so we might not be able to make it till tomorrow. But food time? Food time.
Can you tell I'm hungry?
Ashley needs food.
Okay, so this is the point in time where you can choose. Go eat roadside or
Go out to a nice restaurant or bar.
it's my birthday, I can do what I want to. I can party if I want to.
Ashley's birthday.
That's what we do.
That is how you spend a night out in Delhi, baby.
Yeah, baby.
We had an awesome time
Had a
celebrating
Kingfisher
Ashley's
beer.
birthday.
Yeah, we had some shisha, which is not like us. We're not big party goers, but we suggest everyone to have a night out in Delhi.
You have to do this at least once
Dance,
while you're there.
let loose. Oh, it was so much fun.
Birthday success. Woo! Oh man.
Yeah, that's where we went OMG.
OMG.
I don't have a voice anymore.
It's hard to speak.
Fun. That was so much fun. We danced. He
Ashlei got me on the dance floor. God, I can't talk at all. Alright, now to get a tuk-tuk ride back to the hotel. We are catching our train to Agra tomorrow. Fan it out, babe, fan it out. I told Ashlei, I said, babe, as soon as we get on the dance floor, there's going to be like a weird circle that's going to form around us.
There was people videotaping us dancing.
There was people videoing us.
That means we're good, right?
I think that
we're getting blurry. That means we're good. Here it is. The most important so far tip we can give you.
This is the king rule, number 1.
Oh, and I wish we did it so much sooner than we did. Today we were supposed to relax, chill out, go to the Gandhi Museum, go back to the spice market, hang out. Tyler is now going and dealing with a SIM card fiasco for a train fiasco because apparently we're not even going to Agra today, which is where the Taj Mahal is, because we didn't buy our train ticket because the guys told us we could buy it easily just online and then we couldn't, and now we are in so much trouble. And long story short, Tyler has to get a SIM card for us to buy a train ticket, and we're actually going straight to the train station. Did you get one?
What?
Did you get one?
I got one.
A SIM card. Immediately.
Get it. Half the price than what that other guy was telling me how much it was.
And try not to get ripped off because they will try to pull some strings at a Vodafone stand in the middle of Delhi.
They're trying to charge me double for what it actually was.
Yeah, look some stuff up online, easy peasy, let them know how it was supposed to be. But still, we have to go sit at the train station for like 4 to 8 hours.
Yeah.
To wait for a train. First time in an India train station, trying to get on a train, or trying to get a train ticket.
Because no confirmation ticket will be available.
So basically all the locals are getting on these trains with like no confirmation of seat, they're just hopping on. Being a tourist, we can go to the tourist bureau and be guaranteed an actual seat to sit on the train.
Okay, I don't think I'm glowing green anymore, but we have our tickets.
And we're out here!
We have made it through security.